So in our previous video, we are shown the advanced filter option that's help you to extract the unique values from your Excel sheet. And today we will discuss the formula, and you can easily set up on your sheet where you want to extract unique values from your list range. So go to your Excel sheet range, and here is the sample data where you can see the duplicate values, and we will set up a formula where this formula help to extract unique value from the list range. So first you have to enter the COUNTIF formula. So in COUNTIF formula, first you should select a range. So we will select the own range from there, and you should block the first cell with $sign, and then you should enter the criteria, and our criteria is our list range. That's our list range. We close it, and then we will use a match formula. In the match formula, you should look up something which is 0, and our lookup array is our COUNTIF formula, and 0 is our, it should be help the exact match. Okay, and then we will add the index formula is here, and we will select the index array from our list range, and you should close all the selection range with $sign, and then you will add the if or formula is here, so we will enter the you need to the another bracket for index formula, and now we are completed our formula, and you just need to the curly bracket to in our formula. So you should enter Control Shift Enter, and it will help to come the curly bracket in your formula, and just drag and see there is your unique values. So this workbook you will find in our description box. You can download it for practice. Thank you for watching.